guys, I want to give you a little bit of an update on yesterday's video that I posted. This one here is, even after 12 years being in the business, a little bit of a rookie mistake that I made. Should have caught it, and for some reason I did not catch it. But I figured this was about 180 to 190 ounces total. Going through it, the Flatware set, weighed it out. I think it was something that I thought was about 86 ounces. Ended up being like 76 ounces. So there was a little bit of a weight discrepancy because there was 3 missing pieces during the set. So I was calculating everything out. Also during the set, this is the handles are about a ½ ounce each, which was something I knew prior to going into it, so that was not where the error was. Great set. There's just no extra value in a set like this here. It typically melts at about the 76, 78 ounces, somewhere in that range. So took like a 10 ounce loss on that. The main issue was on the extra 100 ounces that was in the remaining. This ended up being a resin-filled base that I made a rookie mistake and definitely lost out on this. And it made a big impact on my margin because that was a 13-ounce error that I had to account for. So even buying all the collections that I have over the years, I caught the candlesticks that were in this collection that were weighted. We tore them apart, we weighed them out, and I was on the phone going a couple different things, and I ended up missing the weighted base, which was a huge margin hit for me, but it's also something that even after a season looking for it, this should have been something caught instantaneously, but that was a 13-ounce hit that ended up being making this deal from really good to about break even. So that's a good lesson learned. We want to make sure as we're buying and we're stacking all the way through and moving things around that you can end up just covering your basis and don't miss some of the rookie mistakes that you can make. Another item that was here was the little mother of pearl handled knives. They have about a 1/4 ounce on them each, and that actually worked out pretty good, but sometimes people weigh the actual blades themselves, which you can't do. And I caught that these little saucers were not real silver right away from the beginning, but the customer thought that they were, and I had to prove to them that they weren't by reading them and looking up and going through that. So sometimes the customer doesn't know. So after my rookie mistakes, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your feedback. Let me know if you've made a mistake like this that ended up helping you learn throughout the business. And let's see where the comments can go. And this is a mistake after all the years I've been doing it. This is just something that missed completely. And sometimes you just get distracted, and you got to be vigilant and stay on point and show what mistakes you can do. This game's not always easy, and sometimes you just miscalculate. So go through those and like, comment, and share. Thanks. This is a mistake on my part.